Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Raja Umar on my channel RU Speaks, and we are discussing the geography of Pakistan these days, and we are learning the IGCSE O-levels Pakistan studies, both components, history and geography, along with the global perspectives of IGCSE and O-levels. So we are with the geography portion, the geography component, the environment of Pakistan these days, and we are done with the fishing unit as well in the last lesson, and now we are going to start the overall sixth unit of the syllabus of IGCSE or O-levels Pakistan studies, component 2 geography, that is the mineral resources. So today we are going to talk about the mineral resources, and again there are the issues of sustainability about this particular unit as well. So here we have the syllabus of O-levels Pakistan Studies Component 2, and here we have the syllabus or you can say the topics related to the mineral resources over here. And candidates should be able to identify the main locations of limestone, gypsum and rock salt extraction from a map and understand their uses. And it means that you are only supposed to learn about these three minerals, that where they are located and what are the uses, and the locations should be on the map of Pakistan. So it means that you should be knowing that where these minerals are located, what are their uses, and you should be knowing the areas specifically where these are being extracted. Identify the main metallic or non-metallic minerals resources of Pakistan and in what quantities they are extracted. It means that you must be knowing about some table or some graph which might be showing that how much quantity of those minerals available in Pakistan and how much is already extracted and how many deposits are still there available for us. So exist as reserves, how many are being extracted and what quantity is still existing over there and not really yet extracted. Understand the extent to which these can be exploited, what sort of technologies we do have to extract those available minerals for us. Then describe the environmental problems caused by mineral extraction. So we'll talk about the land degradation, and we will also talk about the other environmental and pollution issues related to the mining activities in Pakistan. So students will be able to evaluate the benefits of developing mineral resources and understand the sustainability of extraction, that how these minerals can put in their role in the development of Pakistan, what can be done to have more and more sustainable extraction of these minerals so that they may not be harming the environment, but they might be playing their best role in the development of Pakistan and towards the economy of Pakistan. And then identify the main imported minerals, where they come from and in what quantities. Now, as per the new syllabus, they have added up that which sort of minerals we are importing from which countries and how they are playing their role in the development of Pakistan. Like we are importing iron ore to run Pakistan steel mills, or we are importing petroleum from the Arab countries to meet the needs of the households, the transportation system, or the industrial use. So this is how we are going to talk about these topics over here in our lectures related to the mineral resources, and they may take about 2-3 lectures to discuss all of these topics. Now moving on to the presentation. Here we have the presentation of mineral resources and issue of sustainability, explore mineral formation, mining methods, challenges and environmental impact. All these things, they are over here in this presentation, but they may not be covered in a single lesson today. We might be having about 2-3 lectures on these ones. So moving on, mining methods. So we have 3 different types of mining methods over here. That is, one is the open cast mining, when it is used when minerals are near the surface involves blasting and digging, what we call quarrying. And we can say that that is the, you can say that here we have the open cast mining. The mineral is almost available on the surface of the earth. In this case, we start digging and blasting over here and start collecting the minerals right over the surface of the earth. So that is known as the open cast mining. It is also known as open pit mining, PIT. Open pit mining is also the other name of the same sort of mineral activity. So the second one, the underground mining, it includes adit mining and shaft mining. Here you can see adit mining means whenever there is the horizontal tunnel is dug out and mineral is reached out and it is extracted from there. So you might have, if you might have seen the Kevada mines over there, it is the horizontal tunnel and it is not going deep like this vertically, but it is the horizontal tunnel going into the mountain. You can say that the rock salt mining over there at Kevada is being done in the method of adit mining. But at times what we get through the geological surveys, that the mineral is available deep inside and we are supposed to dig out the vertical tunnels, and whenever the mineral is scattered at the larger place underground and the seam is quite deep, then different sort of tunnels are dug out to reach out that mineral over here, and the mineral is extracted from here, the deeper seams of that particular mineral. Seam is another really very important term that is used. Seam, that is known as the layer of the mineral underneath. So you can see that here this grayish color is the available mineral. This is the available mineral layer underneath, and this is known as the seam of the mineral. Most of the time it is related to the solid minerals and not in the form of gaseous or the liquid minerals. We cannot say that there is the seam of petroleum, or we cannot say that there is the seam of natural gas. This particular term of seam of mineral is purely related to the solid minerals like limestone, like iron ore, like gold, or like sulfur, or any other solid mineral available. So number 3 mining method is quarrying and hand panning. Open excavation, digging for soft rocks. Hand panning separates minerals from debris. So it means that whenever you can say that it is one method of open cast, when the mineral is available right on the surface and it is softer one and can easily be dug out with the help of the certain excavators or with the help of the softer machines, not really very much laborious in that sense. So these are the mining methods: open cast and underground. And underground we have 2 methods, that is the adit mining and shaft mining, and then the other one is quarrying and hand panning, the softer excavations on the surface of the earth. So these are the methods. Metallic and non-metallic minerals. So that is the next part of this one. You must be knowing that what are the metallic minerals and what are the non-metallic minerals. So first, the metallic minerals, they are shiny, hard, good conductors of heat and electricity. They are used in steel manufacturing, electrical wires and batteries. So it means that they might be copper, silver, gold, iron ore. They all are known as the metallic minerals. Chromite even. Examples: chromite, iron ore, copper, manganese, bauxite, gold, silver. All these are known as the metallic minerals. And then the non-metallic minerals over here, they are softer, rough, poor conductors of heat and electricity, used in cement industry, chemicals and fuel, the fossil fuels, talking about petroleum, natural gas and coal. Examples: rock salt, limestone, coal, gypsum, marble. they all are known as the non-metallic minerals, as they are rough, they are softer in comparison with the metallic minerals, and they are the poor conductors of heat and electricity. So these are the differences between the metallic and non-metallic minerals, and you may get a question that differentiate between the metallic and non-metallic minerals. Then you are supposed to write these points to differentiate. Most of the time it is 2 plus 2, I mean 2 points of metallic minerals and 2 points of non-metallic minerals are metallic and non-metallic. So it means that 2 points each, they are to be mentioned to respond to that question related to the difference between the metallic and non-metallic minerals. This is how the question would be attempted. Next one. Now the metallic minerals, as we were talking about that, you must be knowing that in which areas the metals are being extracted, and the quantities even. So metallic minerals: chromite, Muslim Bagh, Yob, Balochistan. Muslim Bagh and Yob, they both are in the northern Balochistan. And they are really very important for the industrial development. Copper, Sendak, Rakadik in Balochistan, they are on the western side of Balochistan towards the Iranian border. And I will show you the maps as well. Then iron ore, Kalabagh, Tehsil Kalabagh, district Mianwali, Punjab, Chiniot, Punjab, and Nokundi, Balochistan, again the western parts of Balochistan towards the Iranian border. Lead and zinc, Dadar, Lasbela Plains, Balochistan. Gold, and one more thing, Lasbela Plains is really very much closer to the Sindh province, and it is closer to the Hab Delta and very close to the boundary between the Balochistan and Sindh province. Then gold, Sendak, Rakadik, again there is a single project, that is what we call the Sendak copper and gold mine project. And it is in the western parts of Balochistan towards the Iranian border. There are the two places, the towns, or you may say the areas, naming as Sendak and Rakadik. So these are the two areas where copper and gold are being mined, and there are sufficient reserves are available. So what we need to have the better security over there, and to have the better technology and the development of infrastructure over there, with the help of the professionals and technical experts to reach out those minerals, so they can be able to put in their role towards the economy of Pakistan. So here we have the location of metallic minerals in Pakistan. Here you can see, let me zoom it out a bit so that you can be able to watch complete map of Pakistan. So here you can see we have the legends, the key given over here, that in which area which sort of mineral is available. Antimony, you can see that antimony is available over here at Kalabagh and in the upper areas of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Then copper, here you can see the Sendak region, copper, and iron ore you can see at Kalabagh again, and then chromite, Muslim Bagh, and over here at Yob as well. Then celestite, the inverted sort of triangle given over here at Daud Khel, and down over here at Tando Bulakhan in Sindh province. Bauxite, you can see that at Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir. Manganese over here at Lasbela Plains, and even at Yob, Balochistan. So it means that these minerals are available. These are the metallic minerals which are available in these areas, and here you can see the other minerals as well. Like you can see that iron ore is also available over here, and Jagi Hills again minerals are available, the metallic minerals. So we have discussed the locations of the metallic minerals over here in Pakistan in these all towns, and you can see that most of the time you may get the question related to the distribution of metallic minerals in Pakistan. You can say that they are well scattered in across Pakistan, and majority of the minerals are being mined in Balochistan province, or they are available over there, and quite a good number of minerals are available in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and a single place over there in Sindh province, and very limited areas of Punjab, only Kalabagh and Daud Khel, they are of Punjab, and Langdiyal even the Punjab region. So a couple of places in Punjab province. So this is how you are supposed to respond to the question related to the distribution of the minerals in Pakistan, the metallic minerals. Now the non-metallic minerals: rock salt, Kevda, Warsha, Kalabagh, Punjab. So in these areas, the rock salt is available, and Kevda is the best example of having the largest rock salt deposits in the world. So they are in the Potwar Plateau, in the salt range, just in the south of Potwar Plateau, near Kalar Kahar. And gypsum, Dera Ghazi Khan, Punjab, Kohat and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and some areas of Balochistan, they do have the huge reserves of gypsum available, used in the paint industry, also used in the cement industry, and also used in the ceramics. So very important mineral it is, that is gypsum. Limestone, Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Sindh, it is almost available in every province of Pakistan in abundance. Marble, Mardan, Swat, Mohmand, Bonair, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, majority of the marble is available in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa region. Map, I have the map available. Majority of the marble is available in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa region. As you can see that Mardan, Swat, Malakand, Bonair, and Mohmand agencies, all Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So we have available that map over there. You can see over there. Then fire clay, Mianwali, Punjab, Hazara division, I mean the Mansehra and Abbottabad regions, they have the fire clay to be used for making certain pottery. And then sulfur, Koh Suleiman, Balochistan, I mean the western side of the Balochistan, the Suleiman range, which is towards the western side. As you know that the Suleiman range borders between Punjab and Balochistan. So on the Balochistan side, these sulfur deposits are available. China clay, Swat and Hazara, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, again in this particular mineral, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa region is really very important. And bentonite, Fort Monroe, again Fort Monroe is in Suleiman range, and Kachi, Balochistan, that is again the Balochistan region. So again, Balochistan is really very important region for the extraction of minerals in Pakistan. So here you can see that all these minerals are available. In this one, you will be able to find out the location of sulfur, rock salt, barite, gypsum, soapstone, fluorite, and magnetite. So all these are given over here in the key, and the locations are given across Pakistan of all these minerals, and can be identified through this key availability of those minerals in different regions. Then the second map, this one, location of fossil fuels, I mean natural gas, coal, and petroleum. So gas region is this one, and petroleum region is Potwar Plateau and southern Sindh, and coal region is again Thar region and northern Balochistan, that is the Quetta coal fields. and down over here we call Thar coal fields, right? And you can say the southern Sindh for petroleum, and this is Potwar Plateau petroleum region, and the central region, or you can say the eastern Balochistan and northern Sindh bordering areas, that is Uch, Zin and Sui. They are the important regions of the fossil fuels. If I zoom it up, then you will be able to see that here you can see the, if I erase these circles over here, then you can easily analyze and you can easily identify that in which areas which sort of mineral is available. So this is the sort of yellow rectangle, that is for natural gas, and here you can see this is the major region of natural gas, and that is the bordering areas of Punjab, Sindh and Balochistan. Majority of the natural gas reserves are available in Balochistan region, and a few are in the Sindh region as well. So coal, a purple colored square box. So here you can see coal in the southern Sindh and coal in the near Quetta Valley. So here you can see that, and some coal is also available in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Hazara region as well. And petroleum, the blue triangle, you can see over here. Let me erase the coal region, and here you can see the blue triangle, Tando Adam, then Mazari, Dabi, Lagari and Khaskhel. So these are the regions where the petroleum is being extracted. And over here in the Potwar region, you can see, if I zoom it up a bit more, then you will be able to see more over here. Joyamir, Dandot, Dhaliyan, Adi and Dornal, Mayal, all these are Balkasar, all these are the areas where the petroleum is being mined in the Potwar region. So it means that for oil, Potwar region is really very important, and southern Sindh is really very important, and southern Sindh is important for coal as well, in the what we call the Thar coal, and here we have the Quetta coal fields. So all these are important regions for the extraction or the availability of the fossil fuels in Pakistan. Now moving on to the next one. Over here, limestone, china clay and marble. You can see, as we discussed, that the limestone is available in many areas: Harnai, Kot Diji, Ranipur in Sindh, and then Ganjutakar Questa we talked about near Hyderabad. That is the composed of limestone ridges, and then Tando, Bulla Khan and Marli Hills in south. So over here, Pezu, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Daud Khel, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and then Kohat region, all you can see that the limestone is available. China clay, you can see over here at the Badar and Mulla Gauri in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa regions, China clay is there, and marble again in the northern areas closer to the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa region, that is the Swat region, and the upper areas of Mardan, Swat, the Chitral. Those areas are really very much famous for the extraction of marble. So here we have the uses of certain minerals in Pakistan in different industries, whether in the industries or for the use of minerals in the agricultural sector. So chromite, it is used in the production of stainless steel and alloys. Copper, essential in electrical wiring, motors, electrics and the construction. You know that the Pakistan has really very much developed industry of the electrical appliances in Gujarat and Gujranwala and Wazirabad regions. So that is really very important mineral which is being mined over in Pakistan to make the electrical appliances, the electric motors, fans, room coolers, or the electric wires which are being used for the sake of providing electricity. So copper is really very important for Pakistan's economy. So iron ore, primary raw material for steel manufacturing, and it is also used in the tool making industry, or in the many other industries where the hard metals or hard materials are being made. So limestone used in the cement industry, glass, steel, and chemical industries, even in paints. Then gypsum used in cement, plaster of Paris, and construction material. Marble used in the flooring, construction, and decorative architecture. Bentonite used in oil drilling, foundry mold, and as a binder in iron ore pellets. Rock salt used in the chemical industries, for example, production of chlorine and caustic soda, and used in the households as well. So these are the uses of minerals in the industry. Now, uses of minerals in agriculture. Gypsum improves the soil structure and provides calcium and sulfur to crops. So it means that it helps in the increasing soil fertility. Limestone reduces soil acidity, improves fertility. So again, limestone is really very important to decrease the higher acidity content or pH value of the soil is maintained with the help of applying limestone. Then sulfur enhances crop yields by adding to protein synthesis in plants. So it means that again, sulfur is really very important for the plant and the crop growth. Rock salt sometimes used in livestock feed and water softening for irrigation systems whenever there is the hard water in some area, and that hard water is fatal for the crops. At that time, the rock salt is used in that water to make that water softer, so that can be used in the irrigation systems in the better way to prevent the hardening of water and to have better impact on the crop production. Then bentonite used in animal feed as a binder and in soil conditioning. Iron used in making farm machinery and tube wells, dams and barrages, concrete and gates and spillways. So iron is used in the lining of canals as well, making those canals concrete. The steel is fixed over there underneath, and then concrete is poured in over that. And then the farm machinery like tractors, threshers, harvesters, and machines of the tube wells, motors, they all are made up of iron. So it means that iron is really very important industry for Pakistan, the mineral for Pakistan, which can be used in the development of agriculture as well. So up till now, we have discussed in this lesson today the introduction to the mineral industry of Pakistan. Then we talked about the mining methods. We talked about the open cast, adit mining, shaft mining, and quarrying. And then we talked about the metallic and non-metallic minerals availability in Pakistan, the difference between the metallic and non-metallic minerals. Then we talked about the location of the minerals on the map of Pakistan, and then we talked about the industrial and agricultural uses of minerals in the industry and for the sake of the development of industry and agriculture. So this is all about for today. And do not forget to subscribe my channel RU Speaks. Raja Umar speaks for you for the subjects of Pakistan studies, both components, history and geography, along with the IGCSE of global perspectives. So stay tuned for many more videos coming up for the enhancement of your learning towards these subjects. Slowly and gradually, you will be having a greater grip over the subject. Up till now, this is all over from my side. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.